Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my passage door level from Amazon. It's so beautiful. We got it in the matte black finish to match the rest of the door handles throughout our house, and we are so pleased with how it looks. It's such an elegant look, especially for the type of door that we have, and it is also very comfortable on the hand. It feels very soft. The matte finish is very luxurious. We got the passage type of door level since it is a closet, so it does not lock. Installation was also very simple and straightforward, and it opens and closes very smoothly. I like the square look of it. It's very modern and sleek, and we're really happy with it. So if you're in the market for a door level, if you're in the market for a door lever for your home, definitely check out Amazon's collection. This passage lever for our closet door is so beautiful. We're so happy with it, and that's my point of view.